Hi everybody, this is Bando Picks. I'm coming at you guys with a different desk setup. Set up on these, I think it's a Cobalt brand tool desk, and found it at a thrift store, so don't worry, I didn't pay a lot for it. And moved my mats, moved my locks, moved my lock stands, my lock chucks, all my poker chips, my covered instruments, echelon set, my pinning trays, my whiteboard here, my 747 American lock, and my Pack Lock Pro 200K Club lock. I got some stuff coming up interesting about that soon. But yeah, that's just my my new setup for now. Closer to the couch, closer to Ollie, so he's liking it. All right. Well, everybody have a good night. Thanks. Bye. Like and subscribe. Hi all, this is Bando Pigs. I'm going to try to pick this Avis 7240 at the top of the keyway tension. Oh, got a little bit of a click there. A little bit of a different setting here. Another click. Well, just showing off my new area here, I guess, then. Got everything set up. Got my lockjaw mat over here. I'm thinking I'm gonna get another one of these so I can have two setups. I want to try to do something with these and maybe make like a portable little lock thing that I can carry in my pocket or something. I don't know. Haven't figured out what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm going to do something with it. But yeah, that's everything. Hope everybody has a good night. Like and subscribe. All right, bye.